Benny Johnson, I got some shit I want you to hear, okay? Please hear this somehow. Please. Listen, you can prove God in so many ways. Time, space, and matter, for example. People think time is a false construct. It's not. It's not a human-made construct. It's literally a foundation and foundational and fundamental part of existence, which people also think is human construct, which it's not. It is not a human construct. Existence is a God construct. End of story. Existence requires 3 units to operate. You need space, you need something to be in the space, and you need time to pass for the things in the space to move. If you have no time, nothing happens. Let's say you remove time Obviously, I'm still shaking a little bit, but that's the principle. Nothing happens. Light would stop. Particles would just stop in midair. Air particles would stop vibrating. Atoms would stop vibrating. Everything would stop vibrating. If you have space and matter, but no time, you have nothing. If you have, let's say you have time and space, what the fuck do you have in the space to experience time? And then the third proof is of the same origin, right? So you need time. Okay, let's say you have matter and time, but nowhere to put that shit. So you just have things doing stuff, but nowhere for them to do things in. So you have nothing. You need 3 parts for anything to occur. You need 3 parts. You need time to pass, you need space for things to be in, and you need things for time to pass the things for them to do stuff. For them to do stuff, you have to have these things. It's impossible to not have these things. So, did you have anything to do with it? Did we have anything to do with being birthed? No. Did we have anything to do with telling our parents when to have us? No. Did we get to pick our characteristics and traits? No. Did we get to pick the fact that we get held to the earth through a force called gravity because we're all floating through this massive vacuum, so anything that's big enough holds things to it so that things don't just float infinitely? Oh my gosh. Proof. Look, proof. There's proof right there. I can smack myself in the fucking face. Do you think if I didn't have free will, I would be able to do that? No, I would not be able to do that. I wouldn't. There's no way. On top of everything else, bacteria and animals and other things they depend on, like, these things too. Like, how is it just a human construct if all these other animals have to also go through the same? It does not make sense.